everybody. It's Dr. Cummings. I'm happy to be back with you here for the boot camp session to get you a higher score in one day for the ACT test. We're going to go ahead and dive right in. Let's talk today about the first English section where we're going to, of course, focus our energies. Remember now, the English session is going to be the longest and probably the most difficult of all your sessions. We want you to get a higher score no matter what. You want to look at getting your minimum score of what now? Thumbs up for 18. Good. Now we're going to look at getting scholarships at what score? Great. Thumbs up at 21. Now, let's talk about why your words, feelings matter. The first question says, I walk at a decrepit pace. Is that a positive or negative or neutral word? Decrepit sounds a little eerie, doesn't it? Ooh, Halloween, almost. Decrepit would have a what? A pejorative or negative tone. So we're going to look at walking at a decrepit pace. The soft sand squeaks peacefully beneath my feet. Does that line up? Are there similar tones between the first part before the semicolon and the second part after the semicolon? Any thumbs up for yes? No, that's correct. So thumbs up if we say no to that answer. Great. So walking at a decrepit pace has a negative or pejorative tone, while the soft sand squeaking peacefully beneath my feet has either a positive or neutral tone. So we know that those are opposite in tonality. So that's why the feeling of the word matters. Now, the question here says the writer wants to emphasize the positive, peaceful attitude the narrator feels for his walks on the beach. Now, that being a positive or peaceful tone, which choice best accomplishes the goal? We know that this is not going to be A for no change. It stands out as what? An outlier, because we are already looking for something that is different in tonality, because decrepit being negative or pejoratively toned and soft, positive, peaceful sounding tone between peaceful sand beneath our feet is totally different. Great. So A stands out for us as the wrong answer. So the best choice to accomplish this goal would be I walk at a decrepit pace, meaning we would have to select an answer that is different than that. So we're not going to do a no change. We're not going to do crippled, which is similar to decrepit, of course, being negative or pejorative tonality. Somber and tranquil are the best two choices here. Somber kind of still in that negative neutrality. If you were doing a neutrality scale on a scale of 1 to 7, where would somber fall? Any answers for in the middle or right there beside it to the negative side? Right, good. So tranquil sounds most aligned with what? Peaceful. Very good. Thumbs up if you select D, tranquil. Very good. Excellent choice. Now let's move on and go to the next question.